Jega Cloud Factory. Support interior finishing enterprises with integrated front-back-end digital upgrades. We have rich experience in solving problems in the customized furniture industry. In-depth research and development of the overall technical solutions for you. Solve design, production and management problems for enterprises. Handy design and blueprint disassembling. 2 minutes to output rendering. Restoring cabinet. With just one click. Optimized material cutting layout process. Powerful material cutting layout algorithms inside the system. Refined and customized existing solutions, up to 95% raw material utilization rate. Easier operation management. Online database for customer, order and channel. Checking operation information anytime and anywhere. Systematically management. Synchronize information to all staff. Simplified packing warehousing management. Handy accurate packing and warehousing in our in-outbound system. Checking any operation history as you want. Simplified customer communication. With our self-service inquiry system, customers can check their order statuses through their cell phones, which can save the communication costs and liberate the productivity. Merging design, production and management in one system. Simple but well organized. Jega Cloud Factory. Making works easier for customized home furnishing companies. You will realizing that digitalization is at your fingertips. With Jega powerful technical support. Joining the innovate wave of interior finishing. Keeping up with the digital generation, realizing the update of Industry 4.0.